Hi guys, I'm here today with a new video, but before we start, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for getting the latest updates. Let's start. Today we'll be talking about the Aston Martin DBX. Discover Aston Martin's first SUV. DBX is a new kind of Aston Martin, one founded on the principles of beauty, luxury, and driving dynamics. Ready to go anywhere, it's powered by the spirit of adventure. Built on brand new architecture, DBX is designed to carry occupants in true Aston Martin style, brimming with the latest technology to keep you safe. DBX is comfortable, sumptuously luxurious, and will thrill you from the moment you sit behind the wheel. Our luxury SUV maintains a proud heritage as an Aston Martin DBX. The initials belong to David Brown, the man who defined Aston Martin and whose vision continues throughout the company all this day. An Aston Martin in SUV form. DBX celebrates the Aston Martin design language in a new form with a unique body architecture just for DBX. The design and proportions reflect the unmistakable style of an Aston Martin, shaped for adventure. First seen on a DB2 prototype in 1949, the Aston Martin grille provides a distinctive and evocative face for DBX. Integral to its design, it dictates the muscular curvature of the bonnet and the way it clothes the mighty powertrain. Innovation to take you anywhere. Active all-wheel drive with variable torque distribution and height-adjustable air suspensions all provide DBX with the confidence and versatility you need for life. Great adventure. It will never compromise how it gets you there. An exclusive architecture. DBX sits on all new platform designed exclusively for SUV. Like all core Aston Martin models, DBX is crafted from aluminum that's bonded not just for strength and toughness, but ultra lightweight too. Iconic engineering. They never compromise in the engineering principles that govern the all-way their cars ride and handle. The DBX is no exception. Like all their production sports and GT cars, DBX has double wishbone front suspension combined with multi-link rear axle, as well as electronic adaptive damping for every wheel. Maximum torque 700 Nm. Maximum power 550 PS. 0 to 62 mph in 4.5 seconds. An all-new adventure thanks to lightweight aluminum construction and its world-leading Aston Martin powertrain and suspensions developed by the finest engineers of their kind. DBX drives like no other SUV. It drives like a sports car.